SEO is a marketing technique used to grow visibility in organic search engine results. There are many aspects to SEO, from the words on your page to the way other sites link to you on the web. Sometimes SEO is simply a matter of making sure your site is structured in a way that search engines can understand. Almost all web traffic is driven by the major commercial search engines, Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Although there are many ways to generate traffic to a website, search engines are the primary method of navigation for most of the internet. Search engines are unique in that they provide targeted traffic, people looking for what you offer. Search queries, the words that users type into the search box, carry extraordinary value. Targeted traffic to a website can provide publicity, revenue, and exposure like no other channel of marketing. SEO can sound very complex, but most people can easily understand the basics. Even a small amount of knowledge can make a big difference.